To become a master gardener is really a calling, and we were called, all of us. And this is the celebration of the class of 2026, San Benito, Santa Cruz, and Monterey counties graduation. I hope you enjoy. We had really an amazing group of 47. I had 47 classmates in my Master Gardeners program, and we all graduated. And this is just a look at some of the decorations and the festivities and celebrating our hard work over the last few months to become Master Gardeners. And what a joy the whole day was. We all had mentors, and Liz was my mentor.
When we first signed up for this Master Gardener program, most of us, I'm sure, were connected by a love of gardening. So learn something new to improve what we have in our house, at our homes, to help something in our business, because some of you are business people, landscapers and such, to make just things better in our environment and this planet. But soon we realized what we're signed up for. 16 Saturdays over the rest of the winter into the spring. So let's get that out of the way. Some of us were comfortable going back into, college level textbooks in big classrooms where we learn. Some of us not so much. But now we understand what it takes to be a master gardener. A semester of serious learning, new terminology, the weekly quizzes. We all know what IPM means now and why it matters for sustainability in gardening and in agriculture. And along the way, we found this word gets emotional, where we found our footing, where between the commuting and the field work and the classes, table mates became friends, and now we're together. So the program is special because it connects what we learn to service. We take UC-based gardening practices and take them out to our communities, and we answer questions in schools, in demonstration gardens in 3 different counties, and in a correctional institution, apparently, is what we learned. And we help people garden better, and then we improve their local environment, their area, which makes us mentally feel better. So today is an ending, yes, of this, but it's certainly not the end of everything. You have to understand that the volunteer hours ahead are not a burden, something to dread. But it's a way to give back, to keep learning, to share the joy of gardening while making our planet better. And I'm not going to add all the Latin I was going to throw in here. But we don't go this alone, none of us do, because we have previous Master Gardener programs that their graduates are coming to help us, teach us, and support us. They're still showing up. Real change happens when the community gets together and things keep evolving. So Master Gardeners 2026, this isn't the end, but kind of get this ready. Here's a toast to Rita.
Yes!
For getting us through, to all the volunteers that put in the hours so we could learn, to our raffle crew, Sam, Angela, and the others. All those who brought us things here that we didn't even know we needed. But we put our money down, and when we won, we scurried it away, our little treasures, smiling away. And the snacks, both healthy and sweet, and some not so sweet, were always a hit every Saturday. To Liz and Deb for the strong coffee all the time. And finally, to every one of us in this remarkably assembled group here, diverse, for all of us for showing up, showing out, sticking it out, finishing what we started so many months ago, and to the service, adventures, and friendships that still are ahead of us.
But I just want to say cheers to all of us, because we all had our reasons for starting this program, and but if you look to the left and to the right, these are the people who show up for their friends and their family and their communities, and we're walking away with friends, a family, and a community. And that is just something that is really special. So for whatever reason brought you here, I hope you feel fulfilled. And as much as we learn during this process, I hope you realize that you are your most fertile soil. So just take that with you. And yeah, right. That was all me, baby. AI, damn. So anyway, it was a pleasure to sit beside you all for the last every Saturday for the last 5 months, and I look forward to working with you in the future. So without further ado, I would like to present our gifts because you all are so generous. We have so much to offer. We would like to present to Miss Rita our class picture from all of us.
Looks so much better than it does on my iPhone.
Yeah, we'll fix it in post. And we also have a little gift card and a little present. And would you mind opening that present for us? And it's not something crazy. Nothing crazy.
Oh, a digital voice recorder.
Keep you on track, And you've got, those car thoughts. Or, you just roll over in bed and you just, and I'm like, really, thank you all for letting me exercise my two passions, which are teamwork and spending other people's money. So really, I had a great time. So thank you all. Thank you all for that. But yes, and these lovely ladies were just a blast to work with. So thank you, Chan, for showing out with like an amazing display of love in the form of food and beverages. So that was where it's going from there. Leslie is our wonderful decor guru. She really kept the fire going, and we were feeling it. She kept us moving. And we have Beth, our ever steady hand, our logistics queen, keeping us moving. So thank you. And of course, we talked about the cake, which is lovely, but I really have to say, hats off to Liz Roberto because she did a lot for this party. All of these centerpieces, all of the signage, the graphic design, everything hand cut and produced by Miss Liz here. So thank you guys so much. I'll work with you anytime, any day. Let's do it.
Most of you have heard me speak a lot and quite often and probably are ready to say, okay, I don't have to worry about her little blurb again. I do want to say that I have really enjoyed this class. It has been a huge boost to be able to see you guys and tweak and to share in your growth and your enthusiasm and your love for plants and your camaraderie. It's really great. It kind of reminds me that, we are a really diverse group and we have a lot of different perspectives, a lot of different backgrounds, a lot of different philosophies about the way things should be. But in this setting, we're really together. We're an individual community. We bring what we love together and we encourage each other to kind of take a good, positive look at the world. And you guys have done that. And as I said, I love it. I feel energized by it every week and will just going forward. So thank you so much. You are phenomenal. And everybody passed, of course. There's never any doubt. Except for about meat meal, but anyway. Okay, so I'm ready to start distributing certificates, and Bridget's going to help me. We have certificates, and we have your brand new badges.
Now it's time for us to take everything that we've learned and continue to learn with the Master Gardener's involvement in community projects into our community, helping others learn how to garden. It's such an exciting future.